Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah. Now let's get right up into it. So, man, I'm pretty pissed off about this. On my chart, on my MT4, it did hit, but I didn't want to jump into this trade until this morning. But you could see it hit yesterday about 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then again about 1:30 this morning Pacific Standard Time. Not necessarily hit the ILC that I was looking to hit, but it was able to come up into this zone pretty close to it and miss it by about 7 pips, 4 pips right here. So pretty pissed off about that because it's up about 86 pips from here, 80 plus pips from here. So truthfully, you can see it's getting close to the zone here. It's already respecting the top of this wick. But truthfully, if I don't see a retrace back up into this area, I'm probably not going to take the trade. So that's just my opinion. This is what I've been waiting on since yesterday when I seen price down here. And you can see I actually drew it out right here. So since it was up here, I've been looking to take price at that area. So right about 12 o'clock, yeah, that sounds about right. I checked the charts and I did my trade journal. And you can see how it's hit so far. It's perfectly in the golden zone. So I'm hoping and expecting another retrace back up to this area. And then we take the sell off. And truthfully, we would need a stops, probably about 80 pips right here. And I think we could see this thing fall pretty significantly, if I'm just being honest. Probably down to this daily. With the news coming out, we got Powell speaking. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to take this trade. Hopefully it gives us an opportunity to take. Again, this is an hourly. This green line is an hourly R2S, and you can see why. Resistance, 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 support, 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 resistance. So this is a strong area as well. So maybe I take a small position here, nothing crazy, because it is still pretty far away from where I'd like to get in at. And you can see the EMAs are up here. So we got some confirmations to take the trade here. Maybe I'm just stuck in my ways on thinking price is going to make it back up here. It's a good chance it doesn't, but maybe we see a small retrace up into this zone. So let's do something like this. Probably take a sell-off up at this area if it breaks through all this. And just to keep it light, man, see, I wouldn't even want to do that because 62 pips. I would probably literally do something like this, 32 pips, and take the L because we might see it just continue to push up, right? It could really get up into this area up top right here again before falling off. So everything's a matter of let's just see what the market gives us. And yeah, let's see, man. Let's go ahead and see. So we could see some on either of these trades right here. See if it gives us an opportunity to enter. See where the 30-minute EMA is at. Right under. So yeah, you know what? I do like this area a little bit right here. See if we could take a trade if it blows past it. I wouldn't put a big position in. I would put a bigger position in up here. But here I'd put in something that you can make some money for the day and just move on to the next trade. So, you know, let's see. We got about 9 minutes till open. We got a clean R2S resistance to support area right here. Let's see. Yeah, there's no 50. I'm sorry, there's no ILC right here. There's a small one right here. So there's a chance that it can go. But you know, let's wait and see if there gives us an opportunity. Take it here or possibly right here, right next to this ILC and these IBCs right here, these lows. So it's about 33 pips away from that. We'd have a small stop loss, and yeah, let's see what happens. And again, technically we are in an uptrend, right? But if we go from, we're on the 15-minute chart. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower than this high, lower than this low, lower low. So it is in somewhat of a consolidation right here, but I think we have seen a break of structure. We've seen respect here and lower lows created, or lower highs created here and here. So I think we should see a continuation down. It's just a matter of if it wants to give it to us. Now this is going to be a key area that it has to break right here that it's somewhat already respecting, right? something like that. Turn it the right way. Man, this looks like about a 61% right here. It could be actually respecting this area, actually. So let me actually show you what I see. It could be respecting this ILC, which is what it's been bouncing off of. Let me have it right under this wick. So something like this. Alright, here to here, boom, respect, some more respect, some more respect. So let's see if it gives us an opportunity to enter, and yeah, we'll go from there. Got about 7 minutes, 6 minutes till open. Let's see. Couple minutes here, and then once price comes up into these zones up here, just remember that the preferable trade is going to be right here up top at this 61%. If it makes it back up there again, we could try and give it a shot right here, but I'm going to see what price does at this point. I'm not strong on it, so if I enter this trade, it's going to be a smaller position, and this trade up top will be a bigger position if it breaks through this and stops us out with the loss. So yeah, let's just see what happens. That's all we really need. The reason I'm keeping this stop loss light right here, I mean, we could technically do it here. We could technically do it at 80 pips. But 80 pips, I don't think there's a guarantee that it falls off from here. And obviously, from what I'm reading, we don't want to see that. But if we have the confirmations, let's do it. So let's see. We got the EMA. It's a downtrend. Let me bring out my handy dandy confirmation book. Okay, so the retrace confirmations have been hit somewhat, right? Even though it didn't hit the ILC, it did hit the retrace confirmations for it to come up and reject the zone. I know. So we're going to see right here what price is going to do. So resistance has turns to support right here, right at this zone. Resistance, support, resistance, support. Then we have a downtrend, right? Break a structure, downtrend. So we got 3 confirmations there. Price has retraced and retested this zone a couple times, more than a couple times, right? So actually we do have some confirmations to take this trade. We got about 5 confirmations, and at kill zone maybe 6. So yeah, fuck it, let's take the trade. See what happens. Again, I'm expecting price to get up into the zone. So like I said, I'm not going to enter a big position here, but I will enter a position, and hopefully it gives us a chance to enter, come up in here, and fall off. So see what it does. Small position here, bigger position here, and let's see if it goes our way. And this big red line coming across, that's the daily 50 EMA, which hasn't been tapped in some time. So let me show you real quick. Sorry, I got a bunch of junk right here. You can see how my daily looks. Damn, I gotta clean my charts up. But you can see the daily EMA is coming through right here. And let's just get back to it on this side, because that shit looks ugly, son. So yeah, looking for a trade up here. We're about 31 pips away, 33 pips away from where I'd like to enter. So let's see if it gives us a shot at that. 5 decent confirmations. Let's see. 3 minutes till open. And remember, we do have news at 7, so that's another big thing.
Solomon, $500 a pip, baby.
I want to do that right here. All right, so yeah, let's see.
If I ate a whole onion yesterday and garlic,
that's gross.
The food, you can't smell it on me.
If
I can smell the onion and the garlic coming out of my body,
that's gross.
It's good for you, dog. You know how much energy I have this morning?
Shit, I fell asleep at 8:30 and woke up at 3:30. I got a bunch of energy.
Then I fall asleep at 10:30 and woke up at fucking 3:30. But I ate a whole onion with lemon and pepper, and I chewed 2 garlics.
That's gross.
Oh my god, I can feel the heat.
I can smell that shit coming off you.
You can smell it now?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, I was like, dude, because I can smell. I'm like, damn, I smell like straight fucking onion.
All right, so we got about a minute and a half till open. Let's see what the market gives us right here. It's possible. I mean, engulfing candles right here, we could see that price wants to move down, but you never know just because we do have big time meetings by Jerome Powell coming out right now at 7 o'clock. So we have him testifying, and I think he's going to talk about heads to Capitol Hill this week, and he's going to have his hands full with a tall task, persuade legislators that he's committed to bringing down inflation while not pulling down the rest of the economy at the same time. Yeah, that seems pretty important. Markets have been on tether hooks, wondering whether he can pull it off. Sentiment in recent days has been more optimistic, but that can swing the other way in a hurry should the central bank leader stumble this week during his semi-annual testimony on monetary policy. So, yeah, it's a big one right here. So let's see if it gives us a shot. Let's go to the 5-minute here. Are you just putting in trades already?
No, I was testing.
Alright, so let's see if we can get that push up. Let's go time in about 10 seconds. Alright, let's see. Just making that big push. Got right up to that line. Wow, that shit missed my shit. Shit, son. I put a small trade in, but I got in a shitty ass. Fuck, damn, I hate this shit. That shit gets on my nerves, dog. Like, I put in the trade up here, and then it's busy, and I get the trade in down here.
Yeah, that's the worst.
It's not quite breaking this zone, right? So we got to see if a lot of rejections right here. So we'll see if price does this.
But if I do that, I can just close it out and I'm done for the day.
Yeah, don't you? Why don't you just close it out? All right, let's see. I got small positions in down here at the bottom, so let's see if it gives us a better position up top. Back up to the zone. More rejections, but let's see if it can make it right up here. That's where I'd like to take the trade. I got $7 a pip right here, so we'll see what happens. I'm still rejecting it. Damn, is it going to make it up here? Oh, 24 pips away. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Maybe it's sitting on the 1 minute EMA right now. On top of it. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, you can see it looks like it's, especially if this candle finishes like that, that'd be great. Oh, shit. Damn. I mean, I got a small position in right here, but I don't know if I want to. It's a lot of support right here, right? Yeah, it looks like it's going to finish up here. If it stays like this, then there's a good chance it makes it up top right here. Kind of coming up to this area. Yeah, it's finishing like that. So I think we should see it stack up. Let's see if we could get a good position in right here at the EMAs. See what price gives us. You see, it's gonna kind of use this as support maybe. So let's see what happens here. Oh, you know what? Remember the 30-minute was under here? I don't know, maybe the hour. Hour's not right there either. It's under these things, but I think maybe it's just coming up to this area first before it makes its move down. It's like it wants to, but it's not breaking it. So 5 seconds left. You can see the wick pulling up on top right here, so it should come up a little bit. So let's see what happens. Oh, maybe not. Still using this area of support. Let's see what it's using right here. It has to be like an IOC or something. IOC's down here. Oh, well, you could see actually, never mind. You can see exactly what's holding it back. We zoom out here. Go big screen. I'm going to close out that bottom position. I just don't like it. I lost $36 on it. So, I mean, if it falls off right here, it falls off. I'm going to wait for my zone up top right here, and we'll see what happens. As soon as it falls off, big fucking guy.
I know that fucking that. See what just like that.
Is that your account? You got it back?
No, they didn't get back to me.
Get the fuck out of here.
I paid it yesterday. $4,500.
And they didn't give it back to you?
They didn't get back to me yet.
That's fucked up.
Because they said I actually bought the account, so they have to set up all kinds of shit. It's not like the keep asking me where do I want to trade through. I don't even want to trade through.
I'm going to stay away now. I took out my position like a dumbass. Could have. But I mean, I'd be at break even right now too, so. But yeah, let's see. I mean, hopefully it comes back up to our zone up top. That's really where I think if it comes right here and taps this daily again, got to take the trade.
And
But look at how close it got to the IOC, so I had sell limits in here. Missed that shit by like, I had it up here at the body, so I missed it by like 10 pips. But look at fucking 6 p.m., missed it by 6 pips, and right here missed it by like 10 pips.
that shit isn't high.
And there it goes. Son of a bitch. Yeah, and right here at the gym too, I seen this happening at the gym. I was like, nah, let me just wait for it to come up here.
I would have put something in.
I know, I'd be up like 100 pips from up here. 60 pips from up here. Damn, is that shit really rejecting? I mean, it still looks like it's getting pulled to the downside, but those are pretty big rejections. I'm out of the trade now. I lost $36. And, yeah, let's see what happens. Big thing is Jerome Powell speaking at 7, so that's either going to drive the market crazy up or drive the market crazy down. So it's really just dependent on where you're at that point. How much are you doing? $100?
$500.
That's like your food eye.
Because I can do it, homie. I know I can do it, dog.
I know, but with that account, you're gonna blow it, from.
No, I won't.
$500, you could only risk what? fucking 20 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Not even 20 pips, 18 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you risk 20, you lose the account.
Mm-hmm.
Good guy. I mean, the thing I like here is if you guys are still holding, it's real bearish right here. So it still looks bearish to me. The 5 minute looks super bearish. So pretty decent positions. If you're in, you could be up 35 pips right now at that green line, which is probably what I should have did. Well, I mean, I tried to get in up here, but it got me in down here. So hate when that shit happens. Yeah, it's really like they force you to put those sal limits in, dog. Because if you don't, fuck around and do what I did right here. It looks good. Oh my god, that shit keeps going. We'll see what it gives us right here. It's playing. It's only gone down about 30 pips in 9 minutes, so.
I'm not telling you fools make that big money.
What?
It's crazy.
Yeah, but they got fucking $1 billion account, fool. That's the difference.
Fuck. Once I get my account back and I make another 5 racks, that 5 racks, I'm buying another account. And another one next year, I can go all the way to $1 million.
But you gotta show them that you could trade, dude.
I am.
Yeah, show them that you could trade first, because they're still questioning your shit. Because I was listening to somebody talking about how, damn, that motherfucker just might fall off right here.
They want me to put my stop loss in, which is getting me angry.
But also, I'm sure they want you, because what I do, fool, is when I see these like before when I first started trading, I would look at like Q Banks' trades, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he would show, fuck, I made $200,000 today, right? And I would look not at the dollars, but at the entries,
Mm-hmm.
and I would go, okay, he got in at 503, and he got out at 100. So then I go to my chart and I go to 503, then I go to 100, and I'd map out his whole shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I'd map it out and be like, why did he enter there? What was he seeing? Why did he exit here? How come he held it for so long? You know what I mean? So those are the things that I'd be looking at. And I'm sure they look at the same shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I was doing that as a fucking, because I didn't know anything. Imagine they know shit. So of course they'll be looking at that shit too.
This motherfucker got close to 20 grand I studied.
What are you up like fucking? How many pips? You have 20 pips?
Something like 25 pips.
So imagine these fools who are like, I'm holding it, I'm holding it. 20 grand ain't shit.
Thought I was doing her trading shit. She called me yesterday crying. What? Is it wrong? I lost $1,000.
Should we put money in her account?
Yeah, but no, she hasn't.
Oh.
She's been doing the practicing, but every day for she's been hitting 25, 3,000, 500,000. You know what I mean?
I
Like,
know.
fucking, you know what I mean? She called me. I can't get $1,000. Just crying over $1,000. Fake money. I'm like, bitch, that's how you know you're gonna get it. I mean, that's how you know you're gonna get it. Sada is that you fucking you're crying over $1,000 fake money.
Gotta go through it. That's what I'm saying. Like, you fools gotta go through those emotions of losing it, dog.
I've already lost fucking 5 racks, 6 racks.
I know, but you gotta go through that.
I know.
You know what I mean? Like Sporty, he had to go through that. You know? Yeah, it's not a lot of movement right now. I think a lot of people are waiting for 7 o'clock. So, let's see.
I'm at 16,000. Would you pull your trade?
I mean, it looks like it's coming down.
So you'll just leave it?
I mean, there's a key zone right here that I have mapped out. Right under here, but it's basically the IOC that I bought off of yesterday. It's coming up right about now.
At 18, 16.
Yeah, I would have been up about 20 pips right now if I had left my trade in, which would have been about $200, which is better than a fucking $400 loss. But yeah,
I'm up 40 pips right now.
40.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Can't wait to upload my account for shit like this. Just be done for the day, probably the whole week.
Yeah, I'm sure that's how most of these fools are. But not honestly, like what that book tells you, dog, is I mean, I guess yeah, once you hit your trading goal for the week, fuck it. You know what I mean?
Maybe my trading goal was fucking 15 racks and I hit it in one day.
Yeah.
Unless there's another setup.
Yeah.
Like a really good setup.
And that's what they say. Like if your confirmations are there and your edge tells you to take the trade, you take the trade. Simple as that. Whether you win or lose. And that's a little like it. So let's go to the other chart. Look at exactly what it hit off of right here. So the buy that I caught yesterday, right off of there. I caught it here.
Oh, it shot up.
And it shot up. I just got out. That was that. So that's the same area that it's taking off of. So like I said, I found this trade yesterday like at noon. The sell off from here. But it didn't quite get up there yet. So this is a key resistance to support area right here. We know that. So now it's a matter of seeing what price is going to do at this point. So yeah, it's crazy. I don't know what's going to happen today, but we'll see. So look at those things, those ETFs that I tell you to invest in. VOO right here, SPY right here. Those are the two main ones, and they're both funds of the S&P 500. But they cost $371 for one. And like right now, go to the
SPY is a coin, no?
no SPY is a index like US30 and NAS, but SPY is like the main one. So look at I got key areas where I'm like, you can see I already drew it out of what I think is going to happen. Like it's either going to come up here, come down, and push up. So this is key shit right here. All this shit is key. Damn, this honestly, when I look at this looks pretty big time right here. Like, what is price going to do? It's following the trend line. And if we go to the 4-hour, I bet you there's a nice ILC right here.
This is my stop loss at 85.
Yeah, that's not bad. Yep, I could already see it. Break a structure, right?
Look at this was all this warning, and then I changed it to 500. Fucking was like, oh yeah, this shit don't fucking play.
So if we look here, you can see that price got up to the zone. As soon as it got to the ILC, tapped it and fell. So think we could see a little retracement at 7 and then a big fall off down to these areas, down to like 4,000. That could be a real possibility here. So I think we can see the same thing on the other side as well. Damn, my fucking arms are shaking like a motherfucker.
Yeah, it's going up.
Right off that level, huh? That buy. Bet you everybody else in the same shit. Like, shit, I'm about to buy off this motherfucker.
That's what you see it by.
I mean, me personally, we're in a downtrend. I think we see price maybe retest these areas up top right here. You can see I have that same line right here, basically, right here. So we could take us out here, But I mean, maybe it doesn't make it up here. Who knows? But I think I'm going to put in my trades around 658, and we'll see where we're at that point.
Remember, sometimes they don't let you put your trades in it.
No, before the news drop. Not at the news drop, before the news drop.
I'm going to put it in the buy for sure.
Damn, that shit's flying, huh?
Ooh, shit, son.
Damn, that shit's flying, huh? So you see where it's going. That shit's heading up, right? It's right at this key resistance area right here. So let's see what's what. Again, I like to take the trade from here, but who knows if it makes it up here. You can see it's already respecting the EMAs again. Right? Already respecting them. Yeah, this is a key zone right here, so we'll see what price gives us. I mean, it could fly up from here. We never know. We never know. That thing's pushing. Right up to the EMA. That might be it. You see how price reacted as soon as it got up to the ILC of that EMA. Damn, look at that fall off. Right back under here. Hit the EMA, got right back under. This could be the fall off point. Let's see. Kind of want to enter the trade here, truthfully, but let's see. I kind of want to like go with what I've been saying for the past day. You know what I mean?
Go with what you say. Does it follow your trade?
I mean, this trade follows my trade, but I don't know why. I like this area to be retested. Then again, if it gets retested, it's a small break of structure, so it really depends.
Is it out of the 50s yet? Where's it at?
The 40s now. You can see it's kind of respecting the zone a lot, so
So 60s.
we got about 5 minutes left till open. I mean, not till open, till news. So let's see what happens.
So right now, Jerome Powell's speaking right now.
No.
And what he said they're going to release?
No, he's about to speak at 7 o'clock, and they release his pre-written statement at 7. So some people see it before then, you know what I mean? But damn, that shit's falling from there.
Right in the 50s.
But it's falling. It's already down 20 pips.
So it's at 40.
Let's see.
There's a question for our viewers. Do you think that your morning breath has to do with how your joint comes out tasting when you leave comments below?
Damn. I hope this shit doesn't fall off from here. I'm pissed.
Me too. I'm gonna be upset. I have 20 buys in. Just kidding. I don't have no buys.
I mean, shit, it might fall off from here, dog. Mother sucker.
I'm gonna have Mike Jones perform number.
Damn. Look at that shit.
But
That shit's flying.
up.
Down.
Really?
Just down 35 pips. Look at my sell limit. It didn't go through.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Oh, sorry. Well, let's see what happens. You got the news drop coming up right now. Let's see.
What is this? Because I was afraid.
Yeah, and that's not real.
Yeah, fear is not real.
I mean, fear is real.
No, it's not.
That account ain't real.
No, but that's what I'm saying. How come I didn't treat my other ones like that?
Well, that's how you gotta be. You gotta be fearless.
Yeah. My little bitch.
Damn, I mean, I kind of want to put my trade in now.
Against your trading.
I got sell limits in right above here in a smaller position, and then I got a bigger position right about here. I mean, but it might just fall off from here. That's the thing.
I like the little runners. They're so cute. I like my bitches.
Oh, come on, mate. Come on. Let's see what happens. Go time. I put a small cell in right here. My bigger cell is in right here, so if it flies up, it'll take me out of this position, and then shit. If it flies up and goes crazy, then obviously we just got to get out. But got about 30 seconds. Oh shit. Ah, no way. No way. That sucks.
Yeah, they stop lashes.
Huh?
Stop lashes.
Nah, that shit didn't fucking ring off my shit. Wow. Get it? It's bouncing off of that buy zone again. Wow, I'm fucking pissed, but fuck it. It is what it is. I should have had a 2.75 in there. Damn.
Why can't I do that?
I know, right? I just pulled half of my position right now. That put me at $600 for the day. All I had in there was $10 a pip, like a fucking idiot. Damn. I fucked up. Look at my sell limit at 175. Didn't hit.
You're lucky I would have made this today.
I would have made this today.
You know that, right? I had the mentality coming in here today. I'm doing a $500 pip trade and $100 little bitches behind it.
Yeah. Let me see something. I'm gonna pull some more profit right now. Well, it's kind of bouncing up. I was gonna pull profit at about 20 pips. It's actually coming up a little bit. I think it might be bouncing off the 1 hour. See, that's why I wanted to put my sell in right before. Oh yeah, it's bouncing off of this key zone right here. See if it could continue down though. Damn, I should have just went heavy right there at that spot.
My intuition was telling me to, but then I was like, I don't want to.
Not me. My intuition was telling me to fucking go heavy right here, but I'm like, you know what? This is what you wanted yesterday, you know?
That's what
Yeah, that's crazy.
I was going heavy.
Heavy is the head.
Heavy. Whatever. They now drinking mimosas. So my nigga middle spin around.
I just closed 1,000. That put me at I closed 400. That put me at 1,000 for the day. I got $400 floating right now. So let's see if we can continue this thing down. Damn, all these positions would have been easy. I fucked up.
Big time.
God damn, I'm pissed. No. Okay, we made money. I'm pissed that I should have had at least a 3.0 in there. That would have turned this, $1,200 day into a fucking. I probably would have closed it at 3Gs. Fuck it, at 100 pips. Done in a couple minutes. You know what I mean? Fuck it though. Hey, we made money though, right? That's all we could ask for is just about making money, dog, and just leave it at that. Say we make it down here. I still believe we can make it down here. It's a long ways away though, right? So
I wonder if when I do the thing again and I go like this, will it just give me the account? Don't start too hard.
I don't know. You gotta crawl before you ball, dog.
Bitch, you know how long I've been crawling for?
Oh shit!
Fuck.
Fucking guy. How long I've been crawling for, motherfucker?
Motherfucker been crawling for a motherfucker.
Hey, they're probably looking at me though, like this motherfucker can trade, dog. Ever since I
can't get it, he just can't.
No, the last time I blew the account, or that I lost AG. Well, I didn't blow the account. I lost AGs. Remember? Ever since then, food every day is a win. All on sell limits. Mostly. I'm putting them in before. Like, all right, this is what I'm looking. Fuck it.
If I make it, I make it. If I don't, I don't.
Yeah, if it hits my sell limit, it hits it. And that's why today I took the L, unfortunately, because I was waiting for it to hit my sell limit instead of fucking just putting in the trade.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's good, though.
Fuck it, eh?
Hey, Don.
All right, well, let's see what Jerome Powell said before we get off this bitch. Let's see what this man's talking about. So a lot of people don't understand that this motherfucker got more power than Trump, than fucking Biden, than whoever the fuck else you think is leading some shit.
Than the warden at prison.
Larry Summers, U.S. economy could hit an air pocket in the coming months. Alright, we need something that's... How come they don't just have... Shit, dog. I need a most recent one. What the fuck?
That was a $50 pip trade. That'd be $900.
Oh, look at it. Is prepared to speed up rate rises if warranted by data. Economy strength suggests peak rate will be higher than previously anticipated. So that means they're going to raise that shit higher. Inflation is moderated, but progress is likely to be bumpy. Or likely to be higher than previously anticipated. So that's why everybody pulled out their shit right now. Everybody pulled out their shit. As soon as he said that, interest rates are going to be higher than what we thought. So now they're saying instead of 25 to 50. Now we might be 50 to 75 BPS per raise.
Are you serious?
So 0.5% raise instead of a 0.25% raise. Or a 0.75% raise instead of a 0.25% raise. I think. Don't quote me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that shit is tanking. I should have just left my whole bitch in there. I'm telling you.
I knew today was going to be the day, dog.
That I was right?
No, yeah, but not only that, I knew today, dog, that today is the day that I've been waiting for to do $800 pip trades. So
$800 pip trades?
I'm at $900 pip trades right now.
Yeah.
I'm at $900 a pip.
Let me close all these other bullshits that didn't hit. Beautiful.
I should have told you to bust open your personal account.
I should have. Look at that shit, dog. Look at how beautiful that is. Rejection up top. See, that's why people strategy, dog. Strategy is key.